Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install and use tivimate on your Amazon Fire Stick. So first you will need to go to settings, then go to my Fire TV, click on it, then click on about, and we will need to click 7 times on Fire TV Stick 4K to enable the developer mode. So I will click on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then go back once and click on developer options. Then click on ADB debugging to activate it, and click on apps from unknown sources. Then click on turn on. Then go back to the main menu, go to App Store, click on it, then go to search, click on it, and type downloader. We will look for downloader, then install it. Downloader is an app which will allow us to install tivimate. So I can already see among the suggestions downloader, so I will click on it, then click on this icon downloader, click on download, wait for the app to get installed. Now click on OK, and once the app is installed, click on open. So I will click on open, click on allow, then click on OK, and here you will need to type this code 272483. So just type this code, then click on go, and you will need to wait for 5 seconds to be redirected. And now the download has already started. Click on install, click on open, click on add playlist, then select extreme codes, and you will need login details to get access to this app. So you can buy the login details from the website that you can find in the first comment of this video. You can also find this website in the description of this video. So you can buy the login details from there. You will get them by email. Then you will just need to enter them on this page, and you will get access to this app.